Presenting the Kia 2017 Cadenza Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are luxury package, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Harman Kardon audio WAM/FM CD MP3/nav, radio, AVO3 audio system AM/FM MP3, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.